Hello and thank you for watching this video. The first train you're about to see is a GB Railfreight 66768, which is all by itself. And what you're about to watch is more freight trains coming through Barking's platform 7 and 8. And next up, coming through Barking Station, is the Network Rail Mobile Maintenance Train. And it was DR 97806 at the front. And at the back was DR 97506. And coming up is one of my favourites, the GB Railfreight 66721, the Harry Benton train. Personally thinking, I think it needs a bit of a wash and brush up. And now here comes a Freightliner 66539. This one's a bit of a bonus. I wasn't expecting this one. Here comes the GB Railfreight 66722. Well, if you got this far and you enjoyed it, why not hit that like button, which helps promote this channel and the video as well. Leave a comment in the box below what you thought of the video. And also, if you haven't done so already, why not consider subscribing so you don't miss any more of my videos. And talking of my videos, here's a couple of YouTube go and watch these. You will enjoy it. Until the next time, stay trackside.